Hello and welcome to the short explanation of Udemy courses, and this time I'm going to talk about the course Serbian 102 and how it works. Okay, so when you access this platform, which is called udemy.com, you will be able to see the first page, and you can either log in with your email or you can log in with your Facebook account. I always use this login with your Facebook account because it's more convenient. I don't have to log in each time I enter the site or I access the site. So when you finally log in, this is how the first page looks like, and let me explain just the basics. So at the top you will see my courses. When you click on it, you will see the list below of the courses you are taking, and you click on the course you would like to see. So this time it's Serbian 102. I click on it and I get this page. Okay, and sometimes you have this red circle with a number in it, and this is actually the number of messages you have on the course. In this course I have only one, and it is usually seen at the top. But there are some other courses which I think that in one course I have 40 something messages, and so all the messages are listed there. They are there for you to see what's going on, who posted what, or if I added a new lesson, and you can immediately click there and go to that notification, or actually to that lesson. When you are done with that, when you have seen everything, then you can click clear notifications and they will disappear, and at the same time the number will either change or disappear here. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see this is the most important part. I will explain this right sidebar. Okay, so this is a list of all lessons which are divided into chapters. As you can see here, there are 8 chapters, which means that we will be having our online lessons for 8 weeks, and you need to click it once in order to see all the lessons below. Okay, so actually all the lessons within one chapter. Okay, so the first week you need to listen to these videos, answer the questions. Okay, I will click on one, for instance, sviđa mi se, which means I like something. So when you click on the lesson, you will be able to watch the video and read the comments under the video, where I usually post a kind of task for you to do, and you can reply in this discussion forum. So when you reply to my questions, I know that you at least listen to this or watch the video and you know what's going on. And this is the idea of this course, to do something before the lesson so that we make the most of the time during the lesson to practice. So not I don't want you to listen to me saying the same things as in the video, because you can do it on your own whenever you have time. And as you can see, so you just press play, and when you press play you will be able to watch the video. Besides, if you scroll a little bit down, I just want to see. Right, I'm going to, because it's working rather slow because I'm recording the screen, I will press stop or pause, and this bar here is here also for you to see that you can press play, or this is play, or you can pause it. Welcome to Shko. And you can also adjust the volume, and you can also make it a big screen. Okay, so when you scroll a little bit down, you can see this comments, and you can write a comment there, or you can reply to other comments. Okay, so on this course the students weren't very active. Actually, we did the course, and then we did the course online first. I used some other platform for the forum, and then I started it in Udemy. Okay, because this one is much faster and more user friendly. So you can write a comment here. Let me write something just quickly for you to see how it looks like. So you write something and click post, and you can see now posting. And if you scroll a little bit down, you will see that there is my comment. If you want to reply to it, don't go to comments again because you're replying to me. You click reply, because you will see nicely nested comments, and then it will be obvious who is saying what to whom, what. Okay, what is the actual order, right? And then you just click reply this time, or if you don't like it, you can do cancel. Now, can you see how they are nested? And then it's easier to follow the short dialogues. Okay, if you're not satisfied with your answer, you can always press this delete, and there is a question. If you're sure, if you want to delete a post, you say yes, and off it goes. I will get the notification that you sent a message, which means to me that you watched the video and you have done something. And I will reply to you as soon as possible. So these are the basics, and this is how you should use this platform. I usually have in each chapter, I will show you, I organized it in this way that you have 1 or 2 videos, and then the explanation in the PDF format. And because in Udemy courses I can use only my own materials, so lessons which I record, and at the end of each lesson, when we have lessons online, we sing a song which is connected. I try to find our Serbian songs with some words which are connected with the vocabulary or grammar that we have done in the lesson. So we sing these songs, and because it's copyrighted material, I don't put it into the course, but I just provide a link to my blog where you can hear the embedded video. You can listen to it and read the lyrics so that you are quite prepared before the lesson starts. In case you don't do that, don't worry. After the lesson, you will be able to access all these materials. So once you are enrolled in a course, then it's yours forever. And as you can see, there is a PDF file where I added the explanations for all of these videos. So you have the vocabulary. Now, let's see. I don't know whether it would be a good idea to make it a big screen. I don't know how it will look like in this. Okay, not bad. I guess you can see it. It disappeared. Anyway, so you have the vocabulary, Serbian in Latin. Later on, I'm going to add all these things in the Cyrillic script as well. The basics are in the Latin, they are explained, and you also have the exercises and links, and I think also, yes, I included the links to the songs and filling in the gaps, and in some PDFs you have links to the exercises, online exercises. And you can always download the original presentation. The same should be true for the videos. Sometimes this platform doesn't give the option for me to choose. I think that everything is um, by definition downloadable, but if it is not, you can tell me and I will change this, because you should be able to download all these materials, because this is what you have paid for. So I think these are the most important things. And one more, you can always write to me, so you just click on my avatar here, or if I send some comment, okay, like in the previous one, you just click on my name and write send a message, okay, and then I will get this as information here. You will have, for instance, if I send you a message, you will get this red bubble here, and there will be a number of messages you received, and you check them here. Okay, I won't click this because some of my students sent me their emails and I don't want them to be visible in this window, but you have an idea what it is about. In this here you can also change your profile, write your name, add your avatar. You needn't to add your real picture, just add something because it will be more colorful. You can also join the affiliate program, which means that if you're satisfied with the course and you recommend it to your friends, then you can earn for 50%, and it's pretty easy to use here in Udemy. Also, you can use these tabs here. If you're satisfied with the course, you can click on reviews, and you can write what you think about it and add the number of stars to grade it. So from 1 to 5, 5 being the best one. I think it might be helpful for people who are thinking about joining the course. Okay, so here I have one review. Thank you, Antonia. And I haven't seen it. Oh, it's 5 days ago. Okay. And there is also a list with discussions. And you can see all the discussions that have been posted on this course. And they are chronologically added. And you can also follow them like this. I'm not using the virtual classroom which this platform offers, so you can disregard these live sessions. But if you're joining our online lessons, the most important thing is that you have Skype, or for you to install the Skype, add my Skype name, marina.limnos, Limnos, like a Greek island, and then I will explain everything to you, and I think I will record one more video explanation of how the classroom works. So I think that's all for now, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me and ask me. Good luck. Srećno. Ciao.